job in the last couple of games. Patrick Roy just remixed the Duchesne line and the Mitchell line 2 games ago, and it's worked really well. Their sustained attack and puck possession has been much better.
Speaking of sustained attack, here's that 70s line putting some pressure on as Varlamov able to hang on. King bounces right back up as a shot is turned aside here by Quick on the rush by the Evs. Another opportunity here. Score! Gabriel Landeskog, the Avalanche captain, has given Colorado a 1-0 lead. Hands it off now for Brown. Dustin Brown playing on a line with Jarrett Stoll and Justin Williams. Daryl Sutter has mixed things up over the last couple of years at times as Doughty leans into one here and a save made by Varlamov. Now it comes to the near side. MacKinnon has it again. One of the LA penalty killers, Jeff Carter, without a stick as it comes to Barrie. Long-range shot steered aside by Quick.
Boy, that power play didn't look like one that was lacking any confidence. They did hold on to the puck well.
Here is Green with a drive and a save made by Varlamov. Is deflected high and wide.
That little spin around backhand pass by Doughty, that's about the 3rd time he's used it. Twice in his own zone he used it.
Chance here. Varlamov takes a look around. He wasn't sure he had it, but he did. Carter to Foley and King. Out here for Daryl Sutter as Varlamov thought to play this puck. Moves it up the near glass. It bounces away from King. Nearly turned over by the Avs, and eventually it is turned over, and a shot here. Score! Avs don't get it out to Foley, sends it toward the net. It deflects past Varlamov. Everberg, who just wants to get it deep and make the change. Bounces off of Regeer, picked up by O'Reilly. Shot from the high slot there by MacKinnon. Turned back the other way now by the Avalanche. Here comes Landeskog, puts on the break, sends it to the front. It was behind Quick momentarily, but there was an LA defender there to help out.
Doughty.
And it's back the other way now, and a chance here to Foley to the backhand. He scores! So close at one end, and a goal at the other. Up on the glass, the official was indicating it was played with a high stick, but it was LA that played it. Colorado checks it. Play continues. Here's McNabb. His shot caroms off a couple of bodies to the front, and Varlamov with a save. Gabrick. And Brown working his way in, hands it off. Nobody there could pick it up for the Kings. Now it comes out to Doughty. Penalty coming against Colorado. A delayed call. Right to the front. They score! Dustin Brown just stayed put in front of the Colorado net. And it's 3 straight for the Kings here in the second. They lead it 3-1. It's it across for Barrie across the line. Barrie looking for the late man coming. It's Mitchell. Mitchell with a shot through traffic. And Quick does he have it. Still no whistle. A pile of bodies in the blue paint. And is the puck underneath Quick or somebody else?
Know how dangerous he is. You know how good his speed is. He got a lot of points against players before they really got a feel for him. Well, that's not true anymore.
Turnover. Lewis shot. Save made by Varlamov. And it's up into the netting and out of play. And Tanguay being watched now by Regeer. Sends it straight away. Zach Redmond hands it off now for Holden. Holden, high slot. A chance for Mitchell. Save. Fought off by Quick. And the loose puck is skated down by Doughty behind the...
We're certainly the best, and they came away with nothing because of misfires.
Now a loose puck picked up by Mitchell. Pass in front. Bang, bang, play. And Quick able to answer. Now Iginla pulls it off the wall. Hands it off to Holden. Holden far side. Talbot will chase it down. Muzzin trying to keep him on the outside. Right to the front, though, and a shot stopped by Quick. To force MacKinnon back. O'Reilly intercepted by Carter. He's got an open net and he scores. Jeff Carter, second of the game, 18th of the season into the open net. And the LA Kings have climbed all the way back. Now it's picked up by Williams. And that's going to do it.
Well, Colorado did everything they could. 43 shots on goal, created a lot of offense, couldn't solve Jonathan Quick, who made some stellar saves with the game on the line there, especially against Alex Tanguay.